Look at yourself. The other day, you were lying in the trash of your own broken promises. Another commitment you made to yourself and failed again. You say you're ambitious, but your daily routine? It's the routine of someone who already gave up. You're not tired. You're anesthetized. An algorithm knows you better than your own mother. It knows exactly what to show you, exactly when to show it, and exactly how to keep you scrolling while your life slowly slips away. In the next few minutes, I'm not going to give you little productivity tips. I'm going to show you how to hack your brain's reward system before it destroys your potential completely. If you can't handle the truth, close the video right now. This content isn't for weak people. They want you like this, dopamine drugged, watching 15-second shorts while your life passes in slow motion. Every like is a unit of willpower you lose. Do you know why you can't study or work anymore? Because your brain is on fire. You turned a survival organ into a digital landfill. Every 15 seconds you spend scrolling, your ability to focus on something difficult dies a little more. The world is getting dumber and slower, and you're moving right along with the herd. But here's the turning point. The protocol starts with step 1, the blackout. Tomorrow, you wake up and don't touch your phone for 2 hours. Sounds easy? Try doing it without feeling anxious. If you fail this, you already lost the war before even getting out of bed. Step 2 is the blood contract. Choose the task that scares you the most, the one you've been procrastinating on for months. You will sit in front of it and do nothing, literally nothing. Either you work on it or you stare at the wall, because boredom is the only cure for a fried brain. Most people will hear this and do nothing. They'll keep being slaves to cheap dopamine. But if you're different, if you're actually going to do step 1 tomorrow, comment the word dominated. I want to see how many of you still control your own mind. While they watch dances, you build an empire. The protocol starts now. Either you become the master of your attention, or you keep being someone else's product. But be careful. The biggest mistake people make when trying to change happens exactly on the 3rd day. I'll explain why and how to avoid it in the next video that's appearing on your screen. The choice is yours.